Okay, now we're going to look at video 3. We're going to be talking about measurement conversion using proportions and the ratios. All right, so we're going to go back to our packet. Okay, we're going to look at proportions with measurement conversions using proportions. All right, so when you converting within a system, that means like measurements, for example. When you're measuring inches to feet, those are in the same system. Grams to kilograms. Okay, those kind of things. There's two ways to convert. Okay, the first way, all right, which is the way we're going to use it. We've done in class already. Is that you're going to represent that conversion with a proportion. Okay, with a proportion. Okay, excuse me. Then you're going to solve it. What we're not going to do right now, okay, we're not going to use the second piece because that's not how we did it in class. You will learn that process in 8th grade, okay, but let me show you this for now. So this is trying to find the number of feet that are in 16 yards, okay, and so how we're going to set it up is we're going to say that we have similar to what is over here. Okay, we're going to use that portion of the conversion, but we're going, if we said how many feet, excuse me, how many feet in 16 yards, okay, that's our question. We're going to say, okay, if we have 3 feet, okay, in 1 yard, okay, 3 feet in 1 yard. Now, what we have to look at this point is we need to find out how many is 16 yards. Where do we put yards? We put 16 yards. Is that going to be on the top or the bottom? Okay, top or the bottom. Okay, excellent. We're going to put it on the bottom because yards always goes with yards. So you keep the unit on the top or the bottom. In this case, yards is on the bottom. Okay, and so then the question is, how many feet? And I've asked this before, if we don't know something, what do we put into this proportion if we don't know something? An unknown value, okay, is x. So that's x. That's an unknown. It's x number of feet. Okay, so now that we have set this proportion up, and I believe this is the most difficult piece for each of you, now that we have set this up, okay, then so now you're going to solve one of two ways. Okay, cross multiplication, okay, is it's the primary way, but you could use the other one. What's the other one called? Anybody? Nobody remembers what it's called. Come on, I'm waiting. And I'm waiting. Nobody? Okay, scaling, good. Yeah, nobody got that one. All right, so we're going to look at scale. That's how that would be scaling. Okay, so when you cross multiply, what that sets up as, it's 16 times 3. And remember, we don't use the little dot anymore. I usually put them like this. It's equal to 1 times x. 1 times x is x. 16 times 3 is 48. So you have 48 is equal to x. So what that means is that x is 48. So 48 feet are in 16 yards. Okay, setting up the conversion is the most difficult part. Okay, when you set that conversion up, remember, okay, so to keep units together, okay, top and top, or bottom and bottom. All right, that should make sense because remember down here, when we put feet on top and feet on top and then yards on the bottom. Okay, that's where we're at for measurement conversions. Okay, that should be a good way to assist you there. Let me know if you have any questions.